Hi everyone, it's me, Katro, aka Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys something, and this is the package I'm waiting for, and it's this brand right here. Now I've seen this all over Facebook, internet, and everything. This brand, and I really love, and I like the packaging. I like how they duct tape it and everything. So now I gotta find a way to open this. Okay, so I found it and I already ruined it. The boxing, that is my fault. I didn't see this part right here. That was my fault. So I'm gonna open it for you guys right now. It was hard to find out where it was, but I think I could have like left right here. So here it is. So here is, I think, like little cards or something. Yeah, little cards like to scan the app and everything right here. Okay, so so here is the manual. It comes in different languages. Yeah. As you can see. So it's a tiny manual. And then here is the pouch, I believe. Yeah. The little pouch right here with the logo on it. The little charging cable, which I have a bunch of these. And I'm going to put it back in the box. If you see with the camera moving, oh, my battery's gonna die. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Ooh. Okay, last but not least, a tripod. So here it is. It's like, I don't know. So here it is. This is what it looks like. And it's really nice, not bad. So here is the cube. I don't know if you can focus. Oh, there it goes. And so I had to figure out how to unfold it. Okay. Oh, it goes like this. And of course, here is this little remote. If I can figure out how you can oh. So this little button right here, I don't know if you can see it, it turns on and off. And that's funny because, oh, figure out. You have to use your thumb to push it up. And it's like a little tiny remote, so you gotta be very careful with that. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, my battery died. My sister was sweet enough to give me her camera battery. I gotta go charge this. Anyway, so this is what the part I was talking about. And right here you have to unfold it like this. And I think this is oh, and also sorry, this is to extend out what phone you have. And I think this little part right here is just to help it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna fold it back up. Oh, I forgot one mentioned thing. This is also a little tripod. And this extends it out. Now I'm gonna put everything back in this box. And I gotta go charge my camera battery because it died on me. Okay, now everything's back in the box. So yes, so that's all the product I got in this mail. I'm really super excited to watch this, and I think I'm gonna make another YouTube channel where I'm gonna test the product out for you guys to see if you like it or not. So yeah, and also sorry for the battery ran out. It died on me, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.